are out here helping to provide shelter for the homeless. Working with Catholic Charities, we were able to set up 100 tents. We'll be providing 3 meals a day, shower, medical attention, all kinds of services will be provided to the homeless. This is our way of getting them off the street so that we can try to control the COVID-19 spread.
God bless them. They have just about everything you'd want: showers, blankets. You have a mattress in your tent. It's an amazing program. It truly is. For somebody who hasn't gotten used to being out on the streets, it is a nice revival for sure.
We're going to be doing other things like this. There's more to come. This is just the first of many. We're also going to be providing rental assistance, mortgage assistance. We'll be trying to help the small businesses. As the dollars come down from the federal government, we will try to quickly get those programs up, operational, and get word out to the community. Thank you to the city team that helped in pulling this together. Thank you to Ashley Furniture for the huge donation. Not only did they provide 100 beds, but they brought those beds in from Mississippi. BDG Architect, who helped with the layout, making sure we had all the health safety covered. Stanley Merchant and his team with TPD that's going to be providing security. Gage Smith with Smith Fencing, who did some of the screening for us. We have Casper, who's providing food, Metro Min, who's providing food, Feeding Tampa Bay, who's also providing food. We are going to need help still more from the community. We are still going to be in need of toiletries, toilet paper, cleaning supplies, personal protective gear, equipment. This is going to be a community effort for us all to come out of this on top. We all have to work together and reach out and help your neighbors.